Okay, it's September 29th. I haven't been working out here quite as much because I had laundry to do and all of the regular household stuff. But I did make it out here to remove the bathtub shower surround, the internal skylight and patch of whatever they had put over this damage. Just seemed like they covered up the damage and did not remove the wet material. So it's all still wet and wicking and nasty. And then finally got the tub. It was cross-threaded, so we had a devil of a time getting it off, but eventually we got it off. I'm going to do some measurements on this because we think we want to change the layout, and we think we're able to do it where the commode and tub will be in one room, and then there'll be a small sink outside. That way, if you need to brush your teeth and somebody's using the facilities, or let's say Corey's taking a shower and I need to put on makeup, we're going to do a little bit of a change around on that. Lowe's had a small fridge on sale and it came in today. We're excited to change it out, even though the other fridge we think works. It's like 30 years old or 25 years old, so we got a new one. It's not propane. It's a little bit bigger, which is nice. Has a nice size freezer. Since we like to eat when we camp, it's a very good choice and well insulated. It'll run with a converter on 12 volt. Just a hot point. It was half off at Lowe's. And it's really got a lot of space. This is going to be so nice in the camper. Nice big freezer. We can have ice cream. Yeah, this is gonna be great. I like this so much better than the RV fridge that was in there. We got black to match the other appliances. I'm so glad that we found this. It was half off. Pretty good deal. So this will be going in our camper. I think everything else is pretty much the same. So that's September 29th. We're moving along.